back to my channel. I'm glad you're here today. So today will be something kind of different I haven't done yet, and we'll just be talking about what's in my gym bag and why I have it. So yeah, I thought it'd be interesting because I really like watching those videos where they show like what's in their gym bag, because I'm like, oh cool, I need that, or I that would be useful at the gym. So yeah, anyways, so here's my gym bag. It's pink. I really like it. I just got it off of Amazon, and it's held up pretty well. I've had it like for a year or year and a half now, and yeah, I really like it. It has a separate shoe compartment, so that's super nice because I just like having my shoes separate because it kind of grosses me out that you're walking on the floor and stuff, and I don't want it in my like gym bag by my clothes and stuff. So yeah, I'm just weird, but I really like that. So first off, we'll go through my shoe compartment. So I have my shoes for days where I'm doing like upper body. So they're just some Pumas. They're pretty cute, and they do have like the cloud foam, so they're soft inside. I'm only using these for upper body day and not lower body day because they're pretty foamy on the inside, and for me it's just not good to be super foamy because I can't press off of the floor really well. Also can't like grip the floor really well with the bottom of these, so just my upper body day shoes. Next is my Converse. So these are my leg day shoes. They're already quite dirty and I just got them a couple weeks ago, but I need to wash them. But these are the ones I use on leg days, especially when I'm deadlifting or like leg pressing, because you can see they grip the floor a lot better. They're really, really hard in the bottom. I wouldn't say they're very comfortable, so they're really, really hard. But that's good when you're doing leg day. You can push off the floor easier. You don't have the padding like ruining your energy when you're pulling something heavy off of the floor. Yeah, these are amazing for leg day. I was like, okay, when my coach, I was like, yeah, you should get some Converse. I'm like, okay, yeah, they'll probably help a little, but not like a lot, but they help a lot, a lot, a lot. And I feel like also my feet aren't slipping as much on the floor, especially like at deadlifts or leg press. So, or even like the, oh, what's it called? The squat machine that is like this way. You know what I mean? You're standing, your feet are down here, and the weight is up here. I forgot what it's called, but that's really good for this because you're not like sliding off of the platform. So those are amazing, and I would highly recommend getting them for leg day or something with like a hard sole. Yeah. All right. Now we can get to the interesting stuff. Here is my protector for the barbell, because when I put it like do hip thrusts or something, obviously I don't want it the full weight and the heavy bar to be on my hips like that. So it gives a little padding. You could also do it with squats. I don't really like doing it with squats because it puts it like too far on my back. But yeah, with what's it called? Oh my gosh, I'm losing all my words today. With hip thrust, it's perfect. So there's also two straps that come with it. I can link it below or something similar, and it just stays on really well, and it really, really helps like not bruise my hips. Yeah. Okay. Oh, next is my deadlifting belt. So it's just pretty basic. It's like hard back here, and it has this strap so you can get it on like really tight on your lower back. I use this when I'm doing deadlifts only right now, because I am lifting pretty heavy right now since we're on off season, and I don't want to hurt my back, and my legs are a lot stronger than my back. So yes, I use this on the heavy days, and yeah, it's really good. I like it so far. It's very hard back here, but it's not like cutting into you or uncomfortable. And yeah, I really like it. I feel like it's very useful, and I'm also not scared I'm gonna like hurt my back then. So very useful. Okay, next thing, what's in here? Okay, my lifting straps. Also for deadlifts, but pretty much like any days where my hands are getting too sweaty, which is really disgusting. But sometimes I really struggle with that, and I cannot hold on to the bar, especially when I'm getting up in heavy weights. So these just go like over your, oh, they go this way, over your wrist, and you just tighten them like so, and you put them around the bar, and you then, yeah, like hold it around the bar, and it just makes it so like your hands won't slip off. Like my hands aren't super strong, and also they get super sweaty, so I just sometimes can't hang on to the bar if I'm lifting like 80 kilos for sumo deadlifts, and I think that's around 175 pounds. Then I just can't hold on to the bar, so it's super, super helpful. I would definitely get these if you have sweaty hand problems or just having trouble holding onto the bar. They really help, and they make it so I can't hurt myself by like dropping one side or like my hand slipping. So yeah. If anything else interesting in this? I have this tiny deodorant, so little tiny spray deodorant, which I really like. It's just by Nivea. I don't know. I always just carry one in my bag because I usually like put on deodorant before I go to the gym, but just in case, I don't know, I'm like sweating a lot, or I don't know, I want to put some on when I leave, or I forgot accidentally, then very useful. So yeah. I have my umbrella in here right now because the weather has been awful. So just a small umbrella in case I go to the gym. It's rain or it's not raining, and then I come out and it's raining, and I have to walk home. And yeah, that's not very fun. Okay, nothing else in there. And in here, okay, I have my towel, which I need to wash because it's from today, but it's just small little thin towel. These are great. You can get them at like Decathlon or on Amazon. You can also order them for a pretty reasonable price. Mine's just this big, so I can sit on it. Yeah, I like it, and it dries really quick. Also, it's super easy to wash. It dries super quick, so that's nice. Towels are good. And I had wipes in here, just little disinfectant wipes to wipe off my phone because sometimes I'm like putting it down on stuff, and that's kind of gross either way, but also especially right now I want to be a little careful. So I have little disinfectant wipes. I wipe my phone and like my gym card with, or my bottom of my water bottle before I leave the gym. Yep, that's also useful. Let's see. In this pocket, I also have hand sanitizer. I'm already kind of a germaphobe before everything, but just especially with everything going on right now, I want to be a little bit on this the extra caring side. So I have disinfectant. It's just like a little hand one, yeah, in my bag, and I like use it on my hands before I leave. So then on the way home, in case I accidentally touch my face or something, that I don't get sick, because I do not want to get sick right now. That would not be good for my training. So yeah, just my gym card. I think that's it. Okay, yeah, that's it. That's all I have, but it's really nice. In this bag you have like this section, and it has a little small pocket for like keys or whatever. And yeah, then big space. The foot thing, or the shoe thing goes into the bag, but not super far. It's not taking up that much room. We still have a ton of room in here for like a smaller bag. And then you have this section, which is like plastic lined, and I put like my towel in it when I'm done, so it doesn't get everything else gross. It's like separate, and yeah, it just has a small pocket here for keys or whatever. And yeah, these are just like cosmetic things. I guess you could like put a yoga mat through here maybe, or strap something on there. And then on this side, it's actually a pocket, I think. Yeah, this side's actually a pocket, so that's nice. And this pack was really not expensive, and it held up really well. The straps didn't break yet. The seaming's only slightly coming off, but I use this bag 5 days a week, and really nothing bad. So I'll like link it below if you want to order it on Amazon. It's not very expensive. I think it was like 25 euros, and it's been pretty good. And it also comes in black, and I really like that there's an extra foot section. So yeah, that is what's in my gym bag on a daily basis. So sometimes I'll also put like glute bands in there if I want to do that, or do I put anything else in there? No, not really. That's pretty much it. My shaker bottle, but I also just like carry that with me with water to the gym. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, let me know if you like these kinds of videos, or you want me to go in more detail about my prep. Right now I'm working out 5 days a week, so lots of days, but not too bad. I have lots of time to recover. But if you want to know more about like prep for my competition in the spring, then let me know. I can go over that, or maybe do like a day in the life, or I don't know, go over oh, I can't talk. Go over like what things I'm taking for it, or I don't know, anything. So yeah, let me know what you guys think and is interesting to you, and I can make a video on it. Thank you so much, guys. See you later. Bye.